Hello world, Leon here, and this is how you connect your Unity project to any custom smart contract. So in this example, we have a contract called increment. There is a variable called x and a function called increment, which will update that value from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So let's get the value of x. So if I go to Web3 Unity, prefabs, EVM, there is a prefab called custom call example. So I drag it in, hit play, check console, and the value is 17. So x is currently 17. So let's get started. So under prefabs, there is a script called custom call example. And in here, it's asking for a few questions. What is the chain? So it's currently Ethereum. The network, Rinkeby. Method is x, which is public variable x. The ABI. So to get the ABI, you go to the compiler. At the bottom here, there's ABI. I want to copy this, paste it in here, and make sure there is a backslash between every double quote. So if I paste the ABI, I can just replace the double quotes with a backslash double quote. So it'll look something like that. Okay. Next is the contract. So this contract is deployed on Rinkeby right now. And the arguments, there are currently no arguments. Last, do evm.call, pass in all of these variables, and print out your response. That's how it's done. Thanks.